morning. Myself Shalini Garg, lecturer electronics, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज जोधपुर। आज हम ऑन ऑफ मॉड्यूलेशन करेंगे। ऑन ऑफ मॉड्यूलेशन इज अनदर नेम फॉर डिजिटल इंटेंसिटी मॉड्यूलेशन। Direct digital intensity modulation is also known as on off modulation because इसके अंदर लाइट इज सिंपली स्विच्ड ऑन एंड ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग टू बाइनरी वंस। बाइनरी वन के करस्पॉन्डिंग लाइट विल बी ऑन एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग टू बाइनरी जीरो light will be off. So the data is in digital form. It switches the light on and off, and so it is also known as on off modulation. Unlike analog modulators, digital LED drivers do not require DC bias current. The LED or the laser is operated either as a series switched or a parallel switched digital modulator. ये यहाँ पे एक सीरीज स्विच्ड मॉड्यूलेटर दिखाया है। इसमें जो ड्राइव सर्किटरी है विच विल एक्ट एज अ स्विच इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज टू द एलईडी। जब ये स्विच क्लोज होगा देन वी विल गेट मैक्सिमम लाइट एट द आउटपुट। दिस विल करस्पॉन्ड टू 1। जब स्विच ओपन होगा no current will flow through the circuit and correspondingly LED will be off. This will correspond to zero signal. Similarly, in case of parallel switched modulator, the switch circuit is connected in parallel to LED. इस केस में जब स्विच क्लोज होगा तो पूरा करंट इधर से पास हो जाएगा and LED will be off. Corresponding to open condition, LED will be on and we will get maximum light intensity. This is the block diagram of digital intensity modulation. The information signal can either be in analog form or digital form. अगर एनालॉग फॉर्म में है देन ए टू डी कन्वर्टर दैट इज एनालॉग टू डिजिटल कन्वर्टर विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डिजिटल फॉर्म। एनकोडर विल एनकोड द इंफॉर्मेशन in suitable format. The digital drive circuit, which will act as a switch, will simply turn the LED on and off. These light pulses are transmitted through fiber to the other end. At the receiving end, APD, which is avalanche photodiode, will convert these light pulses into the corresponding current, which is amplified by the front end amplifier. The pulses are regenerated by the regeneration circuit. ये पूरा जो dotted blue में है, this is the regeneration circuitry. The regenerated pulses are finally decoded, converted from digital to analog form to obtain the original message signal. The analog to digital converter A to D, it converts the analog information into digital form. The second is the encoder, which encodes the digital signal into suitable format like RZ, return to zero, NRZ, non-return to zero, bipolar or Manchester. Digital drive circuit. It may be a simple transistor switch digital modulator which turns the LED on and off corresponding to ones and zeros in the input stream. This is the characteristics of LED. Both LED and laser have linear characteristics. तो करंट की जो पल्सेस होंगी corresponding to 1 we have output power, corresponding to 0 we have no power. Similarly, for laser diode, these pulses, the current pulses, are converted to light pulses and these pulses are transmitted through fiber to the other end. Fiber is the communication channel which transfers the light wave signal from one end to the other end. Now, these are the signals at various points in digital intensity modulation. This represents the modulating current which switches the LED on and off. When the current is maximum, we get light pulse. When the current is zero, correspondingly LED is also off. These light pulses are transmitted through optical fiber to the other end. At the receiving end, we get this waveform as the pulse spreads during transmission. These output variations, optical power variations, are converted to current variations by the photodetector. Now, the original signal is regenerated by the regeneration circuitry. At the receiving end, we have a photodetector which converts the intensity modulated light back to the current variations. Then we have a low noise front end amplifier which boosts the weak signal to improve the receiver performance, which is further amplified by the main amplifier. Then we have an equalizer. The received signal may be distorted by the detector and amplifier as high and low frequencies are not amplified by the same factor. The equalization circuit evens out these differences. Automatic gain control. It maintains suitable signal amplitude at output despite variation of signal amplitude at the input. The sampling and decision circuitry. The received signal is sampled at the middle of the bit interval. If the signal is greater than the threshold level, ये threshold level है, पल्स स्प्रेडिंग की वजह से ओरिजिनल सिग्नल ऑब्टेन करने के लिए वी यूज द रीजनरेशन सर्किट. द सिग्नल इज सैम्पल्ड एट द मिडल ऑफ द बिट इंटरवल. अगर सिग्नल थ्रेशोल्ड लेवल से ऊपर है तो 1 will be generated. If it is below the threshold level, then correspondingly output is 0. The signal is finally decoded by the decoder and converted to the original analog signal by D2A converter. Now, difference between digital and analog transmission. Analog signals are simpler and requires much lesser bandwidth. For example, a fiber system needs only 4 kHz bandwidth for an analog baseband video transmission. Voice transmission, while digital transmission requires 64 kHz bandwidth. For video transmission, the bandwidths are 6 MHz for analog transmission, while the same signal requires 81 MHz for digital return to zero signaling at 81 megabits per second data rates. Thus, much more bandwidth than analog signal is required for digital link, but still we go for digital rings. Why? The reasons are following. Digital signals are easy to process and manipulate. It is possible to merge digital data stream from many sources without interference between them. It requires simple electronics and encode any form of information. It is more secure as it is easy to integrate encryption algorithms. With the advancement in technology, the digital transmission are becoming more and more cost efficient. जैसे जैसे VLSI टेक्नोलॉजी और टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव होती जा रही है, डिजिटल ट्रांसमिशन आर बिकमिंग मोर कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट. Data integrity and better noise immunity. Channel utilization. Because of high degree of multiplexing, channel utilization is better. Digital optical links are compatible with non-optic digital system. Improved quality, longer transmission path, high data rates are the major reward for providing a large bandwidth digital link. The disadvantages of digital transmission. One of the major disadvantages is that it requires very large bandwidth in comparison to analog transmission. This can be reduced to a certain extent by using pulse compression technique. Digital transmission demands faster response than analog signal to follow rapid rise of the signal. So that's all about on-off modulation and comparison between digital and analog transmission. Thank you.